Hi, Jeannie. I just wanted to get a quick video off to you right now, just so we can get something done here real quick. The mobile stuff we'll have to take a look at probably tomorrow. I just a little bit behind today in getting tickets answered, so I didn't want to keep you waiting. But right down in your content right here, so introducing the Santana template. What we have here, I'm just trying to think of a good way to do this so we can affect the mobile and whatnot without messing with the mobile stuff. Anyways, hang on a sec here. Okay, I just figured it out. I'm just playing around with it. What we need to do here is first of all go into your site styles in your pages folder, your index.css. We're going to need to write some specific CSS for this because just that's the actual spacing that there's no extra padding in there. That's the way the spacing works out because of the social icons and the phone number and things like that. So I'm going to copy this bit of information in here, and I want you to open up your site style pages folder in your index.css. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to give you this, okay, style right here, and I want you to go find, I want you to go find right where it says header wrapper. Right after header wrapper, give yourself some space and paste this in, right? And what we're going to do is change the negative top to about 80, or top negative 80. I'm just going to see if that does the trick. And what this is going to look like for you is this right here. It's going to pull it right up, okay? But it's only going to do it right here in the media query. And that's what I said with mobile. You may need a few tweaks to change some font sizes and whatnot for your phone. I was going to say I actually pulled your site up on my iPhone 6. I ignore the little screenshot that the Google Mobile Tools gets. Okay, what I do is I pull it up my own phone to see what it's like, but it's a 6, so it's maybe a little bit of a wider screen. We're going to have to maybe put in, that's terrible English, I'm sorry. We may have to put in into this media query here, or within a media query of your styles.css, or one of the pages here, just some additional tweaks for mobile, and change things so that the font size is a little bit smaller and maybe things line up a little bit better. And it's always on a case-by-case basis, but you're always going to get this look right here. Let me see if I can pull up your site. Okay, so I'm just going to tweak this here. This is about where I'm just going to try and get it. This is right around what I see on my phone right here. The icons all line up, your logo's all in one line right here, and then it's all straight up and down, just making it easy for a mobile user to read, which is what you want. So I think the look that you're seeing doesn't look good, as the logo is doubled over on your mobile view, and these buttons are doubled over as well, and that we can add a little bit of padding, but I'm going to have to take a look at this a little bit late, I'm going to have to take a look at that tomorrow when I have the chance. But for that, for your top, I'm going to send you this style right here in the ticket. You copy and paste it in here. Let me just see what other questions you had there. Okay, next we go to the theme index. Now this is for your padding bottom right here. We're looking for theme index line 122, and you can adjust the padding right here for that section. Okay, we're looking for line 122. See the padding bottom 240? Let's just change that over to maybe 160 or 100, and that should adjust the padding there. Okay. Let me just see here. If we played with the padding bottom, let me just check here, 100. I'm just using Firebug, okay? And then you want a little bit more padding right up here, right? Or sorry, a little so it's not touching. Okay, inspect element. Let me just, that's the section 2. And that again is in your theme index. We're going to change the margin top to something like that. So, this is section 2. So see this negative 110? Make that a negative 50, okay? So padding bottom 100 for line 124 and margin top right there. And then for the mobile stuff, we'll take a look at that tomorrow, and I'll see if, I'll show you where, I mean, you can tweak everything you want for your mobile stuff and the styles and whatnot. but we want to get a little bit more specific than that, and I'm running out of time here, so.